Good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. So, kids, our today's topic is sight words. Okay. So, kids, today we will revise some sight words that we have already done in our last class, and today we will learn one new sight word, and this is R. The new sight word that we will learn today is R. A-R-E-R. A-R-E-R. So this is the new sight word that we will learn today. We will make sentence on this sight word. And kids, before we will begin, let me tell you what are sight words. So these are the words that appear frequently in your reading and writing. So my dear kids, whenever you will write something, whenever you read something, so these are the words that appear again and again whenever you read and write. Whenever you read a story, whenever you write something, these are the words that appear again and again. So kids, if you know these words, if you memorize these words, it will be easy for you to read them, to write them. So kids, it is very necessary to memorize these sight words so that on seeing them you are able to recognize them immediately. So that on seeing them you will be able to recognize them immediately. Okay, so before we will start with this sight word, let us revise the sight words that we have already done in our last classes. Okay, so our first sight word is E S is. Okay, so is. E S is. E S is. Like this is a pencil. This is a pen. So this is. E S is. Speak with me. E S is. This is a pen. This is a ball. This is a table. Okay. So is. Next is in. Okay. So this is in. 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 Like my pen is in the box. So inside. In. In. Speak with me. In. In. This is in. Next is on. On. This is on. Like the cat is on the mat. On. On. This is on. Okay. On. So kids, these are the sight words. On. This is in. And this is. Right? This is. So these are the sight words that we have already done in our last class. So today we will do one new sight word, and the new sight word is R. So kids, what you have to do, you have to memorize this word R. Okay, I'm going to write some sentences over here, and what you have to do, you all know, you have to take help of your parents. They will write these sentences in your notebook and you have to circle R. So our first sentence is, so what you have to do, put the date on the top, write down sight word R, and the date is 31st July 2020. So 33-1, and which month is going on? July. And put the heading on the top, sight word R. Okay, so number 1 is where are you going? Where are you going? Okay, so this is a question, so I am putting a question mark here. Number 2. Number 2 is, How are you? How are you? So this is again I'm asking a question, so I'm putting a question mark here. Number 3. Number 3 is the kids are sleeping. The kids are sleeping. Number 4. The boys are playing. 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 Number 5. Number 5 is you. You is you. ARE. So. FUNNY. Funny. You are so funny. So kids, see, these are the sentences that you have to do in your notebook. You can take the help of your parents. They will write these sentences in your notebook. And what you have to do, very simple. You have to circle the sight word, and our sight word is are. Okay. So first is where are you going? So where is the sight word are? Here it is. Next, how are you? Again the sight word is here. The kids are sleeping. This is here. The boys are playing. You are so funny. So kids, you have to circle the sight word are, but do read the sentence. Try to read the sentence like where are you going? How are you? The kids are sleeping. The boys are playing. You are so funny. Okay, so kids, put the date on the top. Put the heading on the top and write these 5 sentences in your notebook. Circle the sight word, very easy work, and share your work with me. Okay kids, share your work with me and have a very nice weekend. But one more thing that you have to do, because you have a long weekend, so do read all these words from your page number 10. It is in your phonic book. Do read ib, id, ig and im words. Do read these words at least 2 times a day. Please read these words in a day, okay? Because in our next class we will do in words. So you should know all these words. You should know how to read all these words. So ib, id, ig and im, do read these words. Okay kids, please, you have to read these words and do this work in your notebook. Bye bye kids, take care, have a nice day, have a nice weekend. Bye bye, and we will meet soon again. Bye.